Welcome to Local Listing 2.0, the new online presence and web reputation feature on rankingCoach 360. Online presence allows you to create a full business profile, from basic information such as your address, opening hours, or description, to a full gallery of your products and services. Add these details to stand out, for which profile fine-tuning will help you. Add all your highlights, amenities, or mention the crowd your business is adapted for. Let your clients know they are welcome. To boost your online visibility, local directories are crucial. Listing and publishing will guide you through all relevant ones for your business. Connect easily with Google Business Profile or Instagram with one click. Sync all your business information in seconds, all in one single place. Interact with your customers anytime you need to have all chats from all different accounts in one dashboard. With engagement, there is no need to log into each of those to respond. To keep your audience up to date, you can program and publish any post for your social media platforms. If you want some inspiration, we will show you some post suggestions as well as some content from your competition, keeping you one step ahead. You'll be able to choose any image from your library too. If you want to boost your post, you'll be able to promote it with one click after you publish it. rankingCoach helps you launch events in a few minutes by adding the information and images you want to share. Publish it and invite your potential clients. And that's not all. You'll be able to publish your product and launch new offers. See in one dashboard how your competitors are doing and the performance of all your events, scheduled posts, your Google rankings, and all information you need to keep track of what is happening around your business. We all know how important your business image is. The new web reputation feature will show you how your brand is perceived online, having all reviews at once compared to your competitors. Responding to both good and bad reviews will bring your reputation to the next level. From now, you'll be able to do so in one single place. Want to improve your reputation? Review Booster is the solution. Invite your best customers to say positive things about your business with one click. You can even get print materials for your store to motivate your customers to give you their best feedback. All your customers in one list so that you can keep track of your faithful ones and keep them informed about your new products and offers. As always, you will be able to get all insights on how your reputation is performing, giving you the best recommendations to bring your business to the top. So let's get started with online presence and web reputation today.